All right, here goes the lesson on Jolene by Dolly Parton. We're gonna have a C sharp minor chord. So this is a first finger on the 4th fret, the smallest string, and then second finger on the 5th fret, and then the pinky on the 6th fret of the next one, and then the ring finger on the 6th fret of the biggest string. So you probably know that from B minor. This is taking that B minor up to a C minor up to a C sharp minor. Now we're gonna have a little picking pattern. We're gonna have so breaking that down real slow, it's like kind of like a bass chord, bass, bass, chord, chord. And it doesn't have to strictly be just bass note, like the lowest note and the chord. It can be kind of a mixture of a few notes there. A 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and or 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4 E and a. So let's try that at a slow tempo. 2, 3, 4. Bum bum ba da 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 bum bum ba da da da. So that's our basic groove that we're going to strum through all these different chords. Now the chords we're going to have, we're going to go from this C sharp minor 6 6 5 4 to an E major 2 1 open open, and then we're going to hit a B chord 4 4 4 and 2, and back to that's basically the 3 chords that we have for this. So the intro is going to start with just that, like 4 times, and then it's going to be Jolene, 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 Jolene. So see what we did there? We went kind of quick. We went from the C sharp minor to the E to the B, back to C sharp minor. Then we're going to go to B twice, back to that C sharp minor twice. So it's like Jolene, 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 B, start again. And actually at the end there it has kind of an extra couple of C sharp minor, so it'd be like so a lot of times it'll have that extra set of chords to kind of set up the new singing thing. Jolene, okay, now if you wanted to finger pick this, so think about that. You'd have this little pattern. This is kind of one of our common patterns where we have the big one and the little one at the same time. We have a different finger on each string. So we have 4 fingers for 4 strings, right? Kind of like the dust in the wind picking thing. So it'd be the outside ones, and then string 3 to 2, and then 4 to 1 to 3. And then you go to E, do the same thing. B, back to C sharp minor. Do that one twice, then we can do the B twice. Back to C sharp minor. And oftentimes that has a couple of extra ones. Start again, down to E. B twice. So that's another fun way to play it with the finger picking as opposed to the strums. end of the song, it just keeps doing this one, fades out. So at the end of the song, it just fades this chord out, keeps going on that one. And think about doing a manual fade out sometimes when you're doing your finger picking. See how soft you can get if you can make it just nice fade out there. Okay, so anyway, I wanted to show you about this little scale that is fun to work with this song also. You could kind of jam and just make up solos over this whole song too, because it stays in that same kind of C sharp minor vibe for most of it. And this scale here, 6 on the G string, 4, 5, 7 on the B string, 4, 7, and even 9 if you want on that little E string. And if you want to do big string, you can go 6, 4, and 2, and come on back 4, 6, and back to this 4, 6 here. This is your root note. That's the note. That is the C sharp note that goes with the C sharp minor. So you got this. So you also have this 9th fret up here, 9 and 7, 9 and 7, down to that 5, to that 6. We also have this higher position. We have 12 and 9, 12, 9, 11, 9, 11, 9. So you could be jamming over that. Other positions. So you got your little blues scale in there. So that's your pentatonic minor up there for C sharp minor. That's a good scale to know. You can have a lot of fun doing little solos with that easy little scale there. 11, 9, 11. 9, 12, 9, 12. You could also do this 9 back to the 11, but you want to know that that 11 is your root note. All right, that was Jolene by Dolly Parton. Hope you enjoyed that. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Welcome to Damon's Baritone Uke Joint, and we shall see you soon. Thanks a lot.